And now for a look at today's COVID numbers out of Hidalgo County. 412 infections reported today. And here's the breakdown. More than half of the newly infected are people in their 20s or younger. A fourth, children 11 and younger. But new today, Hidalgo County adding something else to their daily report cards. They're now letting us know how many children are hospitalized and how many kids and staffers test positive in schools. Channel 5's Tanvi Verma reaching out to county officials to find out why they made the change.
A rapid increase in the number of children affected by COVID. Hidalgo County's Health and Human Services Chief Administrative Officer Eddie Olivares says making this data available is a must due to the rising number of children being hospitalized.
We're seeing more children being impacted. So one of the areas that we're looking at is trying to show the figures of how many children are in the hospital.
Olivares says the number began to accelerate just this past month.
A month ago, on July 18th, we only had 2 pediatrics in the hospital. And if you look at today, this morning at 7 this morning, we had upwards of 49.
The data on their website, hidalgocounty.us, now gives people more specifics
of how many children are in the hospital, how many of them are in ICU, and then how many cases do we have in the schools.
Olivares says schools are mandated to send in their COVID positive numbers, and after some of them having opened last week,
we had a total of 354 positive cases in schools that have reported. And then you break that down by 184 staff, 170 students. That's the information we're going to be putting on now.
Despite the county having a 70% vaccination rate, those that aren't are ending up in the hospital.
85 to 90% of the people in the hospital are not vaccinated.
Again, for a closer look at the data breakdown, you can check it out on www.hidalgocounty.us. Tanvi Verma, Channel 5 News at 6.